Rob the Rich shot it.
Leave with a bag full of cash. Long nights, longer roads, I just go with the flow. Head up when I'm low, yeah, you know how it goes. Got the hustle in my veins, every battle I'm drawn. Turn my struggles into strengths, always answer those calls. All gas, no brakes, all work, no play. All night, all day, I'm moving too legit. All gas, no brakes, all work, no play. All night, all day, nah, I could never quit. To get my all to life, nothing less. Started at the bottom, had some problems, still had no regrets. Sitting at the top, you didn't notice yet. Moving around in silence, try to hide it till it's obvious. I don't like to talk about none till it's said and done. I don't really like to have fun like what you think is fun. I just really like what I like, and that's all.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Rob the Rich. I'm back with another video, man. I'm back in San Antonio, Texas with it, y'all. Before I get any further, man, I'm gonna need y'all to hit the subscribe button, man. I'm at the Rob the Rich, man. Put on for your city car show, man. Setup time, it's early, y'all. It's already packed. It's already packed. Got my boy Keith in the building, man, with Styling. Styling Card Club in the building. Yeah, we're about to have a sold out show, man. Make sure y'all watch the whole video, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Got my dogs from Styling Card Club in the building, man. We got some crazy artwork on this one too, man. That's some crazy artwork, man. Got the door suicide, what's up? Boy, got everybody on here, man. Chapo Jr. Shit, the Beltran family? Sylvia Beltran? That's the real queen of the South, by the way. Boy, got some more work, man. Oh, you got Pablo's mom on there. Pablo's family. Amado Carrillo Fuentes. Kike Camarena. Damn. Rafa Quintero. Bro, you got everybody, man. I like it. Man, too tough, y'all. Got that dashboard. I think this is the best one, though. Got the masterpiece on the front. Got the Machete, man. This is the second one I've seen. I need to give me one of those. We got some artwork too, man. needs, man. Get the air ride for us today, y'all. Like I said, y'all, it's early, man. Show ain't even started yet. Starts in an hour, 11 o'clock. Make sure y'all watch the whole video, man. Don't forget to subscribe either. Boy, bring y'all these shows, man. Bringing this heat. Got all the guys from Styling, man. Styling Card Club in the building, man. All the guys pulled up, man. Appreciate y'all for coming out, man. Yes, sir. Got some more work too, man. On the road, boys came through with some heat, man. Tucking them big rims, man. What we got, 32s? Yeah, them 32s for sure. Let's see, y'all. Yeah. 32s. Can't lose when you're on 32s. Yeah, them boys singing the blues.
Yeah, that's right good.
My dog in the building, man.
Styling in that.
Styling Card Club, man. Appreciate y'all for coming out, man.
Invited us, man.
Yes, sir. Thanks for coming. Thank y'all for coming. Got the big expedition, y'all. Like this color, man. Did you get back? The homies from Let's Ride, man. Shout out to Let's Ride, man. They always come through, man. They always come through representing. They always come through deep. Boys pull up, man. When they pull up, they say, man, when they say they pulling up, man. In that, man. Oh, the roof to the back. I like that bed too. That bed is crazy, y'all. We got a TV on top of the bed lid. And the bed go up by itself, y'all. Well, hold it, man. I think there's nothing more you can do to this, man. It's done. Got speakers all in the bed everywhere, man. everybody came through killing it, man. Shout out to everybody, man. That boy got the dry shaft chrome in the grade. Man. Boys from Nocturnal, man. Shout out to the Wolfpack, man. Came through repping, man.
And then butter all on top of one like that.
Buddy got one of the hardest trunks I've seen, man. He from Austin. Everybody came through repping, man. Got Big John bike, man. Big John is not entered in the show, y'all. Big John is a part of throwing the show. He is not in the show. Mr. Funnel Cake. Oh shit, chicken on the stick.
You already know what it is. Another one coming to y'all, put on for your city. Make sure y'all follow Rob the Rich. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit that like button. Make sure y'all follow King of the South underscore series, guys.
Yes, sir. What's up, man? Dog, some Swift came through, man. Boy, tucking big Ruchis, man. Big lip Ruchis. Dog always comes through, man. Like that trunk setup too. Boys came through, man. Check out this thing, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Big boy truck, man. Big boy truck. Suspension done. That's done right. That's done right. Look at that, y'all. If I say done, that's done. My dog Ruben came through, man. Boy, running, man. Boy, running. He's say pull up on it. Pull up on it. What's up, man? Hello, how you doing? My boy said pull up on it. He gonna do a burnout after the show, y'all. Right here. On Highway 90. This one right here. I'm calling him out. He has to do it now. He has to do it. He's got to do it, y'all. He just got called out on camera. Big trucks, man. White boy Chris in the building.
Sorry, man.
The judge of judges.
That's nothing but respect for Rob the Rich. That means he's number one in my book.
Yes, sir. That's my dog. Hey, sister.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
You can't tell him to get out of there now. He's a counsel in Texas, so.
He just likes to pick on me. He's just
all right. You fucked up. You got him on chapter. You think he picks on you?
Fix that W.
Go, homie.
Put the W down. The sticker's up in there.
Oh.
My boy got it tucked in his Swift, man. At the car show.
It was a Swift up moment. Go, Colin. Welcome to Swift. Swift out. Rob the Rich out here.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna line up over here.
Got a big TV on the back suicide door, man. I don't know if I seen this one, man. That paint is crazy. Oh, 42, what's up? Got my dog Mario, man, for Navarro Billets. We got all the intros, man. Hard to find wheels, tires. Make sure y'all check him out. Of course, my dog, man, Justin, Big Back Snacks.
Hey, where can you leave your number?
Whenever you're ready. Now, Justin pulling in, man. Oh, shit. Yes, sir. Came through, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Comment, like the video, man. My boy bringing you all this heat, man. All these custom cars, man. Boys in the street with it, man. I go to all the car shows. Have my own car show. This is the second one, but many more to come. We got the twin G bodies, y'all. The twins. Shit, my dog LS Swap too. What's up? They're giving away a truck, man. They're giving away a truck. I want it. I want it, man. I got a blue one already. I like the burgundy one, though. What y'all doing with the truck, bro? Raffle or what?
Yeah, we're doing a raffle. All you do is purchase a shirt for $50. and winner gets to pick his truck on either one MBS or OBS.
When is it? When is it? When
Next week. We just have a little bit of shirts left. We're just trying to close out what we have left, and once they're all sold, we're gonna be doing it next week. Yeah.
Alrighty, man. Where can they find you at if they want to get one, man? If they want to get a ticket.
Facebook, Empire Tire and Auto Shop, and on Instagram, Empire Tire and Auto Shop. Or 3800 South Presa.
Yeah, check them out, man. They're giving away this one. They're giving away this one, the OBS, and the bubble. I think I want this one, y'all, because I already got the OBS, man. I might have to get a ticket, y'all. I might have to get a shirt. It's your boy selling Michelada Mix, man. Big bag snacks. Mango dilly. Piccadilly. Cucumber logo, boy, they got everything, man. Make sure y'all check them out. Big bag snacks. Got the homies from Swift in the building. Big dually, man. The boy Miles. The guys out here. What's up, man? How you doing? What's up, man? How you doing? Good, yeah. Chilling, man. Boys got that all work out here, man. My dog Vincent, man. Nocturnal in the building.
Outside support Rob the Rich, man. If
yes, sir.
Car show, y'all in last place, you heard me?
Yes, sir. Y'all heard him. Y'all need to pull up. Don't miss the next one, man. My dog always shows support, man. Talk about the Fox body, man. What about the Bird Fox body, man? Perfect weather too.
Yes, sir.
Now let me see you shake it like a rock shaker.
What's going on?
Behind the scenes, man. I gotta get a picture to do your thing.
Hell yeah. Whole squad out here, man. Got the merch out here. All the merch, man. Carmona. All the guys, man. We got everybody out here, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's coming soon.
We got purchase cards, we got posters,
got all the merch for sale, man. Make sure y'all pull up to the next pop-up, man. Get your merch. Make sure y'all follow on IG, man.
Independent film, bringing Texas, putting Texas on the map.
Yes, sir. It's coming. Make sure y'all follow him, man. The King of the South _ series, man. Got everybody outside, man. Got my dog Eric. I'm still, since the last car show, y'all, waiting on my turkey leg.
It's on. It's going down.
It's coming. Finally, I'm finally going.
Subscribe, man.
I'm finally getting my turkey leg, y'all.
Big John, right here. Get up to that new.
Big John, y'all. It wouldn't have happened without Big John and Rupert and my dog Rupert.
We're getting it.
This would not have happened without Rupert and this man right here.
Shit.
So
appreciate Rob.
we're all three of us are part of this.
Bringing all the promotion.
And that's what it is.
That's what we're doing.
Many more to come. This
show trophies.
This is the first real show, y'all. The last one was a warm up. Let me show y'all the trophies real quick.
Show them all the trophies.
Y'all check it out, man. We got big awards, man. Check this one out, y'all. That thing is huge, y'all. We got 3 of those, man. We got plaques. We got the plaques, man. We got Big Rick in the building, man. Doing photography, man. Big Rick Photography. Make sure y'all check him out. Check out my dog, man. We're from my home city, man. We're from Austin. Yes, sir. What's up, man? Ace Card Club in the building, man. They always pull up. They always pull up and represent, man.
Rob the rich, man. Rob the rich.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All the guys up here, man.
Rob the rich.
What's up? Everybody, man. The whole crew, man. The whole styling crew, man. Thanks to y'all for coming out, man.
Always, brother, always.
Showing support, man. Guys always pull up deep.
Rob the rich.
Yes, sir.
Do all that stuff you need to do to get on
Yes,
there.
sir.
Already.
Yes, sir.
I come for his show.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just told them that on camera. I said, man, they always pull up, always show support. They always come through deep.
Hell yeah. Check out that black Escalade down there.
I got you. I got you. I got you. Let me. I got you right now. What my dog got? What he got back here, man? I got the X series. I like that box, man. That box is tough, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it with the reflection, but like that interior, man. We got that brown buckskin, man. Like that. My dog from Let's Ride, man. Got the homies from Let's Ride, man. Shout out to Let's Ride, man. They always come through deep. Always show support as well, man. All the homies, man. Heck yeah.
Truck, some cars. Most importantly, you're missing out if you ain't here today.
Yes, sir.
Highway 90. Come over here.
Yes, sir. Alrighty, man. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for watching, brother. Just gotta check out my dogs, man. Cluck's truck. Wing truck, man. Cluck's truck on all platforms, y'all. Make sure y'all check them out, man. I just got some food myself. I tried them out at the last show, man. Got my dog out here, man, keeping us safe. Keeping everybody safe, keeping everybody in line. Talking them big intros, man. you need help promoting the show, man, get at me, man. Get at me. Like I said, Rob the Rich on all platforms, man. Behind the scenes, man. Hell yeah. Gotta put up a shot the music video up here, y'all. Big Challenger, man. We got the hood sideways, man, with the actuator. Real jeweler. It ain't gonna look dirty on the camera, nigga. TV ain't got no temperature, nigga. The words of PMC. Make sure y'all check them out, man. $100 gold grills. They go to the number, man, 512-773-5934. Caprice53_ the real jeweler at IG, man. Check him out. Dog, put up to the show, man. You gotta say something, my guy. This long form content.
Caprice 53 you know, man. The hood, I'm still in there, man. If you ain't got it from me, you ain't got it from nobody. Fuck your jewelry, man.
Make sure y'all check out Something Sweet, man. Something Sweet _sweet_SA, man. Something Sweet SA on Facebook, man. Check them out. They came to the event, man. Make sure y'all check them out. They show support, man. Follow them. Oh, they got some flavors, man. My dog already got one, man. I'm gonna have to try one in a minute. Make sure y'all check them out, though. My dog got one right there, man. I ain't even see these trucks over here, man. Y'all got the audio, man. My girl got her own drink. My guy got his own drink, the Jeweler Juice. We having a drink off, man. Which one is better, Doug? Honest opinion.
Honest opinion.
It ain't like
Y'all both my brothers.
It ain't like that Blue Demon.
Hey, what?
She killing it. She killing it. She killing
Where
it.
the bridge at with all the real drinkers at? We finna settle the score now. I'm getting like 5 of them.
It's over, man. Doug has spoken. Doug has spoken. Got my guy here, man. He's already bought 4 bottles from me, man.
Oh, I fell in love with it the first day.
Y'all stay tuned. It's coming everywhere. Stores near you. Rob the Rich Michelada Mix, man.
Yes, sir. amazing.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
No different mistake that time. Rolling, Swift. Number 10, Marcus Swift. Number 39, something. Number 39. Is there number 39? 39? I can do Spanish too. I got two translators right here. Number 3, Styling. Number 5, Styling. Number 48, Vincent, Nocturnal. Number 44, Valentine, Nocturnal. You're welcome. And number 21, Daniel Ray, Swift. Told you to save him for last. Inside joke. Top 10 special interest. Yeah. Right there. And James is. Number 13.
See, we'll get the big one, yeah.
I think it's Eddie. With the lower bike. It's his first show. Y'all give him a bigger round of applause. You know what I'm saying? Tell us what we do on the weekends. Number 9, the motorcycle. Or 6, I don't know what it is. It's a 9 or a 6. Oh, well, the white motorcycle is white. I mean, they should draw a line of which way it's supposed to go. Like they do on the keypad. Anyways, number 1. Oh, Geraldine. I know her. We're gonna go on to some special recognition ones. Best special interest stuff. Best engine, number 32, Ruben Swift. That's you, Miles. Tell Lino to come get it. Best interior, number 18, Paul Nocturnal. Paul or Tina Nocturnal. I don't care who comes to get it. One of you. Best murals, number 4, Styling. Best setup, Paul Nocturnal. The long pause was because best setup was supposed to be before murals, but I wanted him to walk and get some extra exercise. Best candy / flake, Justin McFarland, Nocturnal. Best paint, number 8, Keith, Styling. I don't remember what his number is. I wrote over it, but it's Jeremy. Best engraving, Jeremy Martinez, Nocturnal. Best display, number 29. Let's ride. Best wheels, number 24, Jeremy Martinez, Nocturnal. I just want y'all to get as much exercise as y'all can walking back and forth here. Best audio video, number 5, Robert Cortez, Swift.
Best stuff coming, y'all. Best stuff.
We're going on to these 20 best of shows right here. These trophies up here.
These are the good ones, y'all. These are the good ones.
I have to wait.
These are the good ones, y'all.
Yeah, this is the best of the best. 20 classes, best of the best. I mean, not this big one over here, but
Not the fat guy, all right?
yeah.
Y'all wanted trophies for best of show? Look,
I mean,
there we go.
I tried to build the one right here as big as Ken, but I didn't have him there next to it. But it got pretty close to his height.
Everywhere else, best of shows, they give you plaques. Y'all come to our show, y'all gonna get trophies.
They said y'all get the best trophies.
Y'all heard it. Trophies.
And if you want the best price on trophies in Texas, you can get with me.
Y'all wanna go to them shows, y'all get plaques. By all means. If y'all want some
John, do you want the mic? John, do you want the mic? You're gonna be hoarse. You're gonna be hoarse. He's not gonna have a voice tomorrow. Don't call him. He won't be able to talk. Text.
Yeah, call me, text me.
Best lifted truck. Number 34, Ron Perez, Swift. You can tell what kind of parents these people are. They're too tired. They send their kids. Send other people's kids. Best drop truck, number 31, Ernest, Swift. Best wild truck, Chris McFarland. That's right. Best mild truck, number 20, Nocturnal. Best mini truck, number 11, Medusa Styling.
Agárrala esto, no te das miedo, papi.
Best truck. Actually, you know what? I'm sorry. Chris McFarland was Radical. Best truck wild is number 4 from Styling. I knew I messed up somewhere on here a couple times. It's a good thing I could read my scribble handwriting. Best SUV mild, number 23, Louis Styling. Hey, the only person I know goes to the hospital in the middle of the week just so he can make it to a car show on the weekend. Oh wait, I did that too a couple times. Let's see here. Best SUV wild, AJ, that's right. Oh, and we shouldn't forget the people that let us use the parking lot. Ace Card Club Poker. Everybody give them a huge, yeah, holler, scream, love, kisses, whatever. I don't know, she might be taken, that might be offensive. Don't do that. All right, now I lost my place. Oh, best dually, AJ, Swift. Come on, Lena. That's you again. Best donk, Miles, Swift. Best lowrider bike, Baby J, Es La Vida. Geraldine. I can't call her Baby J. She's not a baby anymore. Does that look like a baby, y'all? She's fixing to be 10.
We got 2 awards.
I have to change your nickname now. Best muscle, number 32, Ruben Swift. That's you, Lino. I ain't gonna be sleeping good tonight, Miles. Best motorcycle, number 6. Oh, it's written right on this one. That's weird. Number 6, motorcycle. A white one right here. We can put it by his bike in a minute. I don't know how it's parked right here and they can't make it, but whatever. Maybe they're inside playing poker. Best import, number 22, Colin Swift. By the way, I did not judge best import, and a lot of the best ofs that involve Swift, I can tell you that. I didn't need nobody getting mad at me. Best 4x4, Robert Cortez, Swift. Best Mopar, number 8, Keith Styling. Y'all scared the shit out of me. All right, I thought there was only 2 trophies left. I was like, something's not right here. I didn't see the 2 over there. Best luxury. Did I read that one? Did I read that? No. We'll skip him. Best full-size car, number 18, Paul, Nocturnal. Best luxury, number 38, Justin, Nocturnal. Best lowrider, number 51. Yeah, y'all can clap. It wasn't y'all's lowrider. Y'all ain't got no lowriders out here. Clap for that guy. If y'all build a lowrider in some of these shows, y'all win a lot. I think I'm gonna build me a lowrider. You know what? I'm registering somebody else's name. Picking for best overall. I was playing. That's messed up. Most entries was a tie. But I've already talked to the other club involved. We're going to give it to Styling. Swift and Styling were tied at 11 entries.
Styling got most entries, yeah.
So congratulations.
Y'all came through.
Best of show overall.
Here goes a big one.
Is there somebody out here that thinks they should have gotten a trophy, a best of, and they didn't? Oh, Ike, put your hand down. Justin, you got one. Germ, Nocturnal. Ike, you didn't get an award? I called your number.
Well, got the best of, man. Best of the best right here. My guy got the best of the best.
I have a top 40 up here if you didn't get it.
Boy, got the best of the best, y'all.
No, seriously, though, if you got questions about awards, you can come talk to me for a little bit.
My guy got the big one, man. Check it out, y'all.
I do have to drive home. And I do want to tell y'all, man, it's a hard job to judge out here in the summer versus in the winter. I mean, sorry, spring, whatever this is. But I really do enjoy my job. I take it seriously. It's not something I do for a joke. I've been judging shows for 16 years. And I'm gonna keep
16? I thought it was 20. I keep telling everybody 20.
But anyways, I thank y'all very much. Maybe next time I'll bring my mini truck just to exhibition, just so I can show y'all I got a truck too. And they're gonna come. They're gonna do another show, announce another show in like 2 or 3 months. So y'all be ready and look on the lookout for that. Y'all have a great day.
Make sure y'all check out Ace Card Club, man. They're the ones that made this possible. Come and sign up. You get 2 hours free, man. Check them out. It's real nice, man. Yeah. We're gonna have to come. So make sure y'all check out Ace Card Club, man. They made this possible. 7535 West US Highway 90, Suite 120, man. Check them out. They made the car show possible, man. Big shout out to them. They got everything in here, man. Playing poker. Got the games out here, man. Got some darts. Full bar in the back. They actually just open, y'all, so this usually gets packed. Make sure y'all check them out, man. Special thanks to them for making it possible, man. Thank y'all.
Bad bitch, this ain't a Beamer, that's a big deal. Chrome heart got me kissing on his best friend. Put in work, baby, you could be my best man. Sending cash to my account, he investing. Dark shades on.
Boy, swaggy that name, man. Shout out to my dog, man. Shout out to my dog, little man. He was in the hospital twice this week, and he still showed up to show support, man. Thank you, my brother. Thank you to everybody who came to the show, man. It was a great one. Y'all stay tuned for the next one. We doing it big, man. We doing it big this year, man. This is my year. This is my year.
what up? Yes, sir. Thank you for coming, man.
Super bad.
$100 Gold Grills. My dog. My dog on them shoes, man. Hey, Miles! Roll out, man. Everybody rolling out the show. Hey, you gonna do something? Just a little one. Just ah, that's right, that's right. All right. My dog, man. Gorilla Drake, man. They came through, y'all. They came through. My dog, he never hit the back. There we go. Yes! My dog did something for me. Thank you, my guy. Thank you. I was waiting the whole show for him. I was waiting the whole show, and he finally did something, man. Thank you, my guy.
Grab the rig.
Yes, sir. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Shout out to Ace Card Club for coming through. My dog Orlando, man, came through. Shout out to my dog on them blades, man. Ah, shit. My guy finna act up right here. My guy might act up right here. Is he gonna act up? Shit! Hell yeah!
nights, longer roads, I just go with the flow. Head up when I'm low, yeah, you know how it goes. Got the hustle in my veins, every battle I'm drawn. Turn my struggles into strengths, always answer those calls. All gas, no brakes, all work.